Now you had done problems like this in sections 1, 1, and 1, 2, except first you had the equation with y alone on the left, but y is also usually known as being a function of x. And that's what this is indicating. This is a function of x. And so using function notation, you do have some additional shorthand. Instead of saying, well, find y when x is, you could just say, okay, just do f of negative 2, f of 1, and f of 3. Because all these are saying for you to do, f of negative 2, f of 1, and f of 3, is to go back to whatever equation you have here and replace the x values with whatever number is now appearing in the parentheses. So here that means that you're going to do f of negative 2 would be 8 times negative 2 minus 11, f of 1 would be 8 times 1 minus 11, and f3 would be 8 times 3 minus 11. Then it all comes down to following your order of operations and calculating these out. So if you work these out, whether it's using the order of operations or your calculator, you would get negative 27, negative 3, and 13 respectively. As far as the next one, given, for example, 4, what's the value of x such that f of x equals 5? It's kind of the same question as before when you had situations where you were given the value of y and asked to find the value of x that produces it. Same thing here. You know that f of x equals 8x minus 11. You don't know what the x value is, but you know that this side is 5. So you know that 5 equals 8x minus 11, and you would solve this equation for x. So add 11 to both sides, divide both sides by 8. You get that 2 equals x, or x equals 2, and there's the solution to that problem. And so that is the end of this problem as well as this video. If you have any additional questions, please make sure to ask about them in class.